This is Rick Sharon, your toast coach, with a table topics tip. Ask anti-theme questions. Whoa, time out. What do I mean by that? Find out what the theme of the meeting is. Brainstorm what is the opposite of that theme. Then create questions that pertain to that opposite, that anti-theme, if you will. I also like to create conflict-type questions, bringing up two people and involving them in a dialogue, usually some kind of conflict or persuasion situation. For example, one of you is a used car salesman trying to sell. The other is the reluctant buyer who does not want to buy. Convince each other. So I wanted to create one of those questions in my Keller Communicators Club several years back. We had a meeting theme of Disney. So I asked myself, when I think of Disney, what comes to mind? I think of the Walt Disney Entertainment Empire. Family-oriented entertainment, G-rated children's fare, cartoons like The Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Aladdin, cartoon characters like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Donald Duck. So I came up with the following question. One of you is Mickey Mouse. One of you is Minnie Mouse. Minnie has something critically important to tell Mickey. So important, she must tell him on national television. Specifically, the Jerry Springer Show. Bleep if you gotta. Have at it. A little context. If you're not familiar with the Jerry Springer Show, it's American reality trash TV. Springer loves to get people together so that someone can blindside somebody else with a major announcement. Blindsiding their spouse, their relationship partner, their brother or sister, their close friend. The announcement and or people involved quite often involves rednecks, racism, infidelity, having an affair, ending a relationship, leaving that person for their ex's parent or child, their best friend, planning a sex change, surprise announcement, I'm a transvestite, prostitutes, becoming one, or having had a lot of relationships with prostitutes. Quite often it degrades into brawling, punching, kicking, wrestling around on the floor, pulling hair. Springer has a team of burly security men who often have to get between the respondents to pull them apart. This is definitely not Walt Disney. So I thought that question would be a lot of fun. But just to be safe, I called on two experienced members. Oh, I thought it would be fun. I had no idea. It quickly spun out of control. Minnie Mouse was upset because Donald Duck never wears pants. Well, duh! He's a duck! Ducks don't wear clothing! Except Donald tends to wear a blue sailor's cap and a matching blue sailor's coat. But that's it. From the waist down, Donald Duck is naked. And that offended, upset, outraged Minnie. So she laid into Mickey like you wouldn't believe. And he fought back. All manner of hilarity ensued. It was great. So if you want to really stir things up a little bit, ask anti-questions. Find out whatever the theme is, figure out what the opposite of that is, and come up with questions that pertain to that opposite, that anti-theme. It's a lot of fun. I think your members will enjoy it. I hope this helps. I'm Rick Sharon, your Toast Coach.